Hi, this is Kim from Lumen Learning. I'm just going to show you a few quick tricks to make course mapping easy for the Lumen courses. So here's my sample course map. This is the topic-based map. And so the first thing I'm going to do is jump over to one of the Lumen courses. This is the biology course. You'll notice I'm logged in, and so I can see all of the instructor resources, but I'm just going to grab the student resources or the learning materials that I'm going to use in my course. As soon as I hit the shift button or scroll down to copy that. So I want to select all of that, and then I'm just going to copy that. Once I move back over now to my course map, I have that all copied, and I can come to the area that says, what is the OER URL that I'm going to use in this course? I'm going to leave myself just a couple lines there, and then I'm just going to hit paste. And you can see that it copies all of that content by module or topic area into my map. And as soon as I hover over that, these are actually all live links that will take me directly to the page. So the whole process now of creating my links of which content I'm going to use is done. Now I would just quickly go through and say, these subject headings look like pretty good topics for me. And if I'm going to use that in my course, it's easy to just copy those over and have those be my topic area. So you can see as I move through that pretty quickly, I've got things nicely organized so that each of the topics that I might cover in my biology class is now listed, and I have my content down below. So I'm not going to go all the way through that, but that gives you a starting point. Now, we know that this content has been vetted, so I'm going to say on each of these, I want to use the full page. And I know the license has been vetted, so when it asks what the license is, we know that most of these pages have multiple different sources on the page. So I'm going to say see license info on page. Now, just to be thorough, I'm actually going to copy that down. I do have to say that if this comes in and the Lumen Learning team sees that you're using a map like this, if you didn't copy it all the way down, they'd be pretty patient with that. But the nice thing about this is now if I go back and I say, wait, I want to remove this and I'm going to add something else in, or I want to add my own resource, I can just come in here and say, I'm going to add Kim's biology resource. And I'm going to make that a link so I can link out to it. And now I know I need to check the licensing on that and say I want this to be something that I've created myself. So I'm going to license it CC BY. And that gives me a really nice starting point for my course map. Now I still need to come in and say for each of these topic areas, or for some set of combined topic areas, how am I going to assess student learning? And so that's one of the things that we would like you to either send us those files or upload those files into a Google Doc that's secure that we can get to, and then we can all pull that down. But that allows us then to put those assessment resources into a secure place and have them in a place where faculty members can review them, but they're not accessible to students. So once that's done, you can see it gives me a pretty good starting point for my course map. I can add any notes here. I can go in and add new resources. Anything I'm not going to use, I simply delete it from the map once I've got it populated like this, and it's pretty quick and easy. So hopefully that saves you a little bit of time as you're doing your course mapping. Thank you.